It's a little harder to show on a GMT 800 truck, but since this is a GMT 455, the engine's not underneath the dash. If you ever needed to pull the intake on an 8.1 with EGR, which I think is 01 to 03, there's two of these bolts, 10 millimeter. They look like LS oil pan bolts. And you just undo them from that tube that runs up to the EGR cooler. And then when you take the intake bolts off, you just slide that out. Now, of course, if you need to change just the EGR for some reason, which I'm going to delete the EGR on this one, but it's 213s right there. Whoops, let me put my... It's 213s. Right there, one there, one there. But that's the easy way to do it. Usually I use a 1/4 inch. I just set it down to grab this camera. Where'd it go? Oh, now I've lost it. Oh, there it is. I usually just use a 1/4 inch ratchet to get them off. There's the other bolt, actually. But that's how you do it.